I'm here today to talk about a condition most Florida homes have. A condition so diabolical, so insidious, most homeowners don't even know they have it. Wind lift. That's right, wind lift. Wind speeds over 40 miles an hour can cause home-destroying conditions. Conditions like attic moisture, mildew, wood rot, and even that icky black stuff. Ew. Let our TRPs, trained roofing professionals, come out and make sure you are wind lift free. There is no charge for this service, but if you do have wind lift, we'll show you how to get rid of it for peanuts. Don't wait. See you soon.